Hello student, my name is Swapnali. In this lecture, I will teach you how to draw the structure of interhalogen compound. This topic is from the chapter Elements of Group 16, 17 and 18. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we can see how to draw the structure of interhalogen compound. The first compound is here the structure of some interhalogen compounds are given. Their formula name, structure, shape is given. The first compound is ICl. The name of compound is iodine monochloride. Why iodine monochloride? Because only one chlorine is present. This chlorine by mistakenly given. The structure is ICl and the shape is linear, straight chain structure, therefore it is called linear. Then how to draw the structure? For that we have to know the valence electron. This is iodine, this is chlorine. The chlorine valence electron and iodine valence electron are same because they are in same group. The valence electron in chlorine and iodine is 7. These two, these two, these two and these one. Total electron 7. Here also 7 electrons. By sharing of electrons, one from iodine and one from chlorine, here the covalent bond is formed, and these 6 electrons remain as it is. These electrons are called lone pair. The group of 2 electrons are called lone pair. 3 lone pair on chlorine, 3 lone pair on iodine. And the straight chain structure, therefore shape is linear. Straight chain structure, therefore shape is linear. And why name is iodine monochloride? Because here only one chloride atom is present. Second compound is chlorine trifluoride. Here how many chlorines are present? Total chlorines are, here how many chlorines are present? Total chlorines are 1 and fluorines are 3, therefore chlorine trifluoride. And the shape is bent T shape. Now we can see how to draw the structure and how to know the shape of ClF3. The valence electron in Cl is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 valence electron. How many fluorine atoms? Here 3 fluorine atoms. 3 fluorine atoms. How many valence electron? Total valence electron is 7. In fluorine 7. Total valence electron in fluorine is 7. I write electron in the cross form. Here one chlorine form one bond with the fluorine by sharing of electron. Here also form a bond, covalent bond by sharing of electron. Here also form a covalent bond by sharing of electron. Here how many bond form with fluorine? Here 1, 2, 3. Here Cl, this is the fluorine, this is the fluorine, this is the fluorine. How many lone pair? Here 2 lone pair. The 2 lone pair of chlorine remain as it is. Therefore shape is T shape. If you look like this, the shape of compound is T shape. Therefore shape is T. Shape is T. Why I write lone pair here, not the fluorine position? If I write lone pair to the fluorine position, then structure is like this, and here is the fluorine, here is the fluorine. This is wrong structure. Why? According to VSEPR theory, this is most important point. According to VSEPR theory, the lone pair, these are the lone pairs, always place at equatorial position. Always place at equatorial position. The lone pair always place at equatorial position. This is the equatorial position, this is equatorial, this is equatorial, and this is axial position. This is the axial position. Lone pair always at equatorial position. This is true for only trigonal bipyramidal geometry. This is true for trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Here these three and these two. These three, therefore it is called trigonal. Bi means these two axial bonds, therefore bi, and 3 at equatorial, therefore trigonal bipyramidal geometry. The geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. These 3 at equatorial, 3 equatorial, therefore trigonal, 2 axial, therefore bipyramidal, therefore trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Always remember, in trigonal bipyramidal structure, lone pair always keep at equatorial position. Therefore, shape of compound is T-shaped. If you write the fluorine at equatorial position, then this structure is wrong. Now we can see the next structure. Here shape is bent T-shape. Now we can see next compound BrF3. Here how many fluorines? 3. Therefore name of compound is boron trifluoride. Here shape is also T-shape. Here now we can see how to draw the structure of BrF3. It is same like ClF3. In bromine and fluorine, the outermost electron are same. Outermost electrons are 7. Outermost electrons are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By sharing of electron, here one covalent bond. By sharing of electron between bromine and fluorine, covalent bond is formed. By sharing of electron between bromine and fluorine, one covalent bond is formed. Here how many covalent bond is formed? Total 3 covalent bond is formed. How many electrons remain? These two and these two. Means 2 lone pair remain as it is. 2 lone pair remain as it is. The fluorine plays at axial position, then one at equatorial position, and lone pair always keep at equatorial position in trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Here 3 equatorial bonds, therefore trigonal, 2 at axial, therefore bipyramidal. This is trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Lone pair always keep at equatorial position. Therefore shape is T-shape, and this is the structure of compound. Now we can see next examples. Next example is BrF3. Here how many, BrF5. How many fluorines? 5. Therefore name of compound is bromine pentafluoride, and the structure is this. This structure name is square pyramidal. This is 4 bond at equatorial, therefore square. 4 is called square, and this is 1 fluorine, therefore shape is pyramidal. Lone pair is not considered. Here BrF5. How to draw the structure of BrF5? Here how many valence electron in bromine? The bromine valence electron is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fluorines? 5 fluorines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fluorines. 5 fluorines having how many electrons? 7 electrons. 5 fluorines having how many electrons? Here 7 electrons. In each fluorine 7 electrons. In each fluorine 7 electrons. These electron by sharing of electron form covalent bond. 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 By sharing of electron form. Here by sharing of electrons 5 covalent bond. By sharing of electrons how many covalent bond? Total 5 covalent bond. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Means 5 bond is formed. And how many lone pair remain as it is? 1 lone pair remain as it is. Here fluorine, here fluorine, here fluorine, here fluorine. How many fluorines? 5 fluorine. 1 lone pair at axial position. Why I write lone pair here? Axial position, not equatorial. According to VSPR theory, in trigonal bipyramidal geometry, the lone pair at equatorial, but in this case it is octahedral. Here how many? Here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Coordination number is 6. Here coordination number is 5 and 1 lone pair. Here the lone pair at axial position, not equatorial, because here the shape is not trigonal pyramidal, shape is octahedral. If here fluorine is present, but here fluorine is not present, here is the lone pair present, therefore shape is, this is called square, this is called square, and this additional fluorine is called pyramidal, therefore shape is square by not here pyramidal. Only 1 fluorine, therefore shape is square pyramidal. Square pyramidal is shape. Only in trigonal pyramidal geometry lone pair at equatorial position. If other structures are present, then lone pair at axial position. Therefore, the shape of compound is, for determination of shape, lone pair is not considered. For determination of shape, lone pair is not considered. Only consider these 4. This 4 fluorine is called square, and this axial fluorine is called pyramidal, therefore shape is square pyramidal. Now we can see next example. Here ClF5, the chlorine pentachloride, 5 chlorine, the shape is square pyramidal. Now we can see the example ClF5. Here how many valence electron in Cl? The Cl having valence electron 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And how many fluorine atoms here? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 fluorines having, each having 7 valence electron, each having 7 valence electron. Each having 7 valence electron. Here this Cl form a bond with fluorine by sharing of electron. This fluorine form a bond with fluorine by sharing of electron. This fluorine form a bond with by sharing of electron. This Cl form a bond with by fluorine by sharing of electron. This Cl form a bond with by sharing of electron. Here how many bond form? 1 2 3 4 5 bond is formed. 5 bond is formed, and this 1 lone pair remain as it is. Here we write fluorine at equatorial position, fluorine at equatorial position, lone pair at axial position, because the shape of compound is square pyramidal. The shape is square pyramidal. Shape is square pyramidal. Why shape is square pyramidal? The 4 fluorine at equatorial and 4 is called square pyramidal. For determination of shape, the lone pair is not considered, only fluorine is considered, therefore shape is square pyramidal. If lone pair is considered, or if the lone pair is replaced by fluorine, then the shape of compound is square bipyramidal. If here lone pair is not considered during shape determination, therefore shape is square pyramidal. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.